Hello card lovers, welcome back to another video on the channel. I am Dad of James, and this is a pre-release box from Outlaws of Thunder Junction. So I have been really enjoying this set. It's got some really nice cards, and I've really been enjoying all the various content creators on YouTube showcasing their decks on Arena, and then also some of the gameplay from the LGSs that get put on the YouTube. So love this set. So got the spin down with the Outlaws on there. Go ahead and grab our booster pack. All right, and let's see. Ooh, that is a very, very nice card to get as the promo. Okay, pre-release deck goes over how to do everything, and of course, one of my favorite characters, Tiny Bones. Was lucky enough during a recent tournament to actually get a Tiny Bones. Totally got destroyed, but whatever. it was fun. All right, let's get into it. Let's see. Consuming Ashes, Daring Thunder Thief, Highway Robbery, Steer Clear. I love this card. Hard Bristle Bandit, Spinewood Paladin, Harrier Strix, Metamorph Blast, Violent Cacophony, Full Steam Ahead, Tie Awaken, Perfect Shot, very nice, Savage Smash, Plungering Pugilist, Skyrim Springs, and Treasure Token. All right. Not too bad of a start. I would love to get another Tiny Bones, but let's see what the Magic Gods have. Dance of the Tumbleweeds, Rooftop Assassin, Foiled Fording, Outlaw Medic, Sterling Hound, Ambush Gigapede, Outlaw Stitcher, Hollow Marauder, Miriam Herd Whisperer, very nice card. Cotton Crossfire. Oh, nice. Another Archangel. Decisive Denial. Full Plunderer. Mountain and Art card. I have put the Archangel there. So what have you guys thought about Outlaws? Seems like a lot of people, both online and at the local level, have really been enjoying this set, and it's really nice to see people really coming out for this particular set. Nice. Oh, wow. Grand Abolisher, that's very nice. Yeah, if you been loving this set, leave a comment below. Let me know what are some of your favorite cards with this set. You probably guess I really like Tiny Bones, mainly because it's just fun to say. Surprise, close with the Roman. And speaking of favorite cards, are you guys fans of other creators online? If so, why don't you throw their name down? Oh, nice. I do watch quite a few content creators. I I prefer to watch the content creators that like to throw up their decks on YouTube and let fly. Like to go through and try to grab their decks if I have enough the tokens to be able to grab what I need. Otherwise I just do a budget version of it. Oh, nice. Double rare on this one. Oh, triple rare. Nice. Very cool. And final pack. Of course, one of my favorite cards to play in Outlaws has been the Slick Shot Show Off. As many can tell by the 4 or 5 different decks that I have up on the channel. Holy cow! I finally got it. Gold Rush. Fortunate Accident. Haunting Luxurious Locomotive. Nice. Been seeing a lot about this particular card lately. Really want to sit down and check this one out a little bit more. See if I can find something online about decks that involve this one. Journey to Nowhere. Oh well, no tiny bones this time. But that's okay, folks. Got the promo with the Mythic. Got a copy of that Mythic. Got the Grand Abolisher, also a great Mythic. Should see about putting that into a human deck scene. Seeing what kind of mischief we can cause. Got Roxanne. My coworker would tell me, don't ever do that again. Mischief. Well, folks, yeah, I'd like to hear your thoughts on this particular set, whether you like it or not. Are you guys excited for the new one that's coming out? It seems like everybody seems to be upset with the master set coming out, thinking that it's not like or not Masters, but the Modern Horizons 3, thinking that it's more of a Commander Masters set. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, opinions. Be interested to see what other people think. I particularly really don't care about that product. I'm more interested in the rabbits later on, and for the life of me I can't remember the set. The Bloomborough, I think's what it is. That's the set I'm looking forward to, and I am saving up like crazy on Arena so I can grab quite a few packs for that. But anyway, all right, folks, figured since I just finished cracking some packs, I do some packs here in Magic Arena. So without further ado, let's get into it. Nice, nice. Okay, let's see what we get. Grindstone. Ooh. Varska. nice. Alright. Let's see here. Let's go back up the front. There's a card here that I think I've missed before. Yeah, here we go. Very cool. Alright, cool. Now let's pop open the 3 alchemy. Alright. You know what, since we're here, let's pop over. Let's grab a mythic pack and just see what we get. And the winner is lame. I mean, thanks, but lame. Alright folks, well that's gonna do it. Again, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Folks, it doesn't matter what you play. Just keep playing.